Fantasy Adventures. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another wig like tutorial. I guess I'll do a tutorial this actual video because it's a closure. I've been really loving closures lately because they are less maintenance. I wore a frontal because it was All-Star weekend, so this was like my wig I had on for All-Star weekend, and it's time for it to come off now, so I got a wig just in time. This is from Wignee hair, and it is like 16-inch deep wave hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, and I'm gonna actually do like a detailed like how I do my wigs now, because it's, you know, it's a short wig, it's curly. I'm not gonna have to do way too much. I'm gonna just show y'all what comes in it first. So the first thing it comes with is the user manual, the hair guide. So basically what it's telling you is like, you know, thank you. It tells you what comes in the product packaging, how to put the wig on, washing care, you know, what all hair companies have, except for this one is in a pamphlet and not a card. So yeah, they be having different styles and how they do it. Sorry y'all, my neighbors, like, I don't know what they have going on upstairs, but it was loud. They got these lashes, and then y'all know what's interesting is they gave me this wig cap right here, right? And I've never seen a wig cap come in anything like this, so I wanted to actually open it on camera. I wanted to see if it was like gonna be a wig cap I could use, but it's just like a long black knitted cap. And y'all know when I use lace wigs, I use nude stocking caps. So yeah, and this is the actual wig, you guys. I haven't brushed it, I haven't put water on it or anything. I literally just only took it out of the hairnet. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. Like, this is how long it is. It has, show y'all the combs, hang on, let me focus. Okay, it has the 2 combs in the front, and then it has the 1 comb in the back, and then, you know, they be having like that 1 comb that's like behind the lace that I don't use, and it already has a little middle part already, but I probably am going to pluck it just a little bit more. I might not. I really might just leave it how it is. I might just pluck it just a little bit. And yeah, so it doesn't have a smell or anything. Okay, so for me to actually do the wig, this is what it looks like in the front. It already comes with a part in the middle. It's really cute, but I might just pluck it out just a little bit. And like I said, it's a closure, it's not frontal, it's just a little closure. I am gonna pluck my little closure and everything, but first thing I'm gonna do, I'm still gonna bleach it and everything. So, and with my closures, that's why I love it so much. Like, I can buy these. This was $2.99, and I can use it twice, sometimes 3 times, but I can use it twice. If I'm doing a closure, you just mix it with some 40 volume developers. So you put all these in a bowl, mix it together, and you put it directly on the lace and let it sit for like 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off with the purple toning shampoo. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what that shampoo looks like when I come back and rinse it off. Like, it's simple, just mix these 2 together and put it on the lace, let it sit for 20 minutes. When you wash the hair, like when you wash it out, you wash it with the purple toner shampoo. Okay, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back when I do that. Okay, so with this part, it's just that BW2 powder. It's my 40 volume developer. So when you're pouring it in here, you really just want it to be like a really thick consistency. Like, you don't want it to fall off of your like whatever you're mixing it with. Don't mix it with metal, because it is a chemical, like metal. I think it's like gonna make it heat up quicker. And you always want to pour like a little bit of developer. Don't pour too much, pour a little bit. You can always go back and add more before you can take some out. But sometimes if you pour some more and you didn't pour out your powder, then you can level it out like that. But for me, it's always best to pour just a little bit of developer at a time. It needs just a little bit more. This should be enough right here though. Like this should be perfect. But when I say like you don't want it to fall off, like this is, it'll be fine when it dries, but you see how like it's not even really dry yet and it's not falling off. When I'm done mixing it, like all of it's gonna be like that, like it's not gonna fall off. So that's how you want the consistency to be, and you don't want to slather it onto your wig. You want to set it on top of it, like pat it on top of the lace, because you don't want it to bleed through and actually bleach the hair. You just want it to bleach the knots on the wig, okay? Yeah, so it's thick. Y'all know with bleach, when you let it sit for a while, it gets thicker. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 1 minute. And then I am going to, I just had to get this back up out the box. I'm gonna set it on top of here and let it sit for 20 minutes. Be right back. Okay, so good morning, y'all. It's obviously a new day because my hair is messed up. I didn't sleep with my hair tied up last night because I knew I was gonna put this wig on today. I did go ahead and rinse, like when I rinsed the bleach out, I rinsed it out with this. This is the purple shampoo that I'm talking about. And when you put the bleach on, I inserted a picture. You're supposed to like put the bleach on from the back of the wig to the front because the front process is faster. And I did go ahead and open the part up. So I plucked just like 1 row of hair just to make it like super even. And yeah, I went ahead and pinned it onto my wig stand. And this is how it looks like dried. Because, you know, with the front part, I was combing it because I went ahead and plucked it too. And as you can tell, like, that's where I'm going to put my baby hairs at, like, right there. So, yeah. There's that. And I know I said I was going to make this a full tutorial, but then I thought about it. It was just like, that's going to make it the video like 20-30 minutes. And I already have enough, like, full tutorials. But I will do, like, an updated full tutorial because I feel like I plucked my hair, like, way better now. So yeah, this is the hair, like how long, I don't want to say how long it would be because I do have it pulled down a lot. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I also have that, like I already recorded a tutorial of that. I'm gonna take my wig off and I'm gonna take it off with alcohol. Just put alcohol like on my hairline and then just take it off. And then, you know, I'm gonna clean my actual hairline, get all the excess glue and all the other stuff out. I did do the ball cap method, so I did, you know, spray got to be glued on my wig cap and cut the excess off and stuff like that. I'm gonna do it again with this. However, I just did this not even a week ago. I just did this ball cap not even a week ago, so I'm praying that y'all have the alcohol and stuff right here. This is the alcohol that I use. I'm praying that when I take it off, like, it's not gonna come off so bad. I actually have on 2. So I have on 1 in the front and then I have 1 in the back so that, like, my actual hair is okay. Because I just have my hair, like, in a slick back ponytail right now. So, yeah, really a greased back ponytail because I didn't put no gel or nothing in my hair. I just put, like, Blue Magic in my hair and grease my hair back so my hair be moisturized underneath my wig. So yeah, this is the wig cap that I use. It's just a nude cap. And then you need makeup that matches your skin tone. I got this for like $4.99. It's honey brown powder foundation and it's matte. This is perfect for me. So when I put it on, y'all, I got a tutorial for all this, but I'm just like, you know, just telling y'all what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put makeup on the ball cap like part up here, and I'm going to turn my wig inside out, and I'm going to put makeup on all of the lace. So yeah, I'm gonna come back like when I'm gluing it down. And this is the glue that I've been using. It's called Melted Once. I love this glue. I love this glue better than what is it, a Ghost Bond? Yeah, I love it way better than Ghost Bond. So yeah, this is how it plugged, and it plugged really really nice, y'all. Like, I'm really excited to do this hair. Like, I want to do, like, I want to put layers in it, but I'm scared because I've never done layers in it. But I desperately want to put layers in this hair and do, like, you know, some curls, because wavy hair curls really well. So yeah, I will see y'all in a few seconds. So bye. Okay, so I really wanted to insert a clip before I actually like secured it on my head, just to show y'all. I didn't do the bald cap method because it is just a closure. So what I did was I just put a nude cap on my head, and I got some powder foundation that's the same color as my skin, and then I got my brush and I put it all on the wig cap, and I put some on the lace as well. So y'all see like how it looks like that, but when I put it on, it'll look like a scalp. So yeah, and then I'll just like glue it down with the Got To Be Glue spray and my blow dryers. So yeah, one sec. Okay, so I have the wig on now. I didn't cut all the lace off because I wanted y'all to see like what it looks like before I cut it off, like how good people be wanting to see, like how good the lace is, like just the lace, because the see-through part, like when you're parting it, that's really important. So I left a little bit on so y'all could see. So that's what it looks like, and that's why my baby hair is not laying down. I did do me some baby hairs, and this is how the hair looks when it's wet and it's in its natural dry state. Like, it's a deep wave and it's big. Like, this is something like you can put on like real quick. I did use my hot comb and I like pressed it back like this. I don't have it on right now, which is why I'm being so careless with it. But yeah, and I did do the bald cap method like I said. Sorry. And I already did it because I didn't want y'all to hear the thing going off, but I sprayed the Got To Be Glue spray on there. Then I took my comb and held it in place. And yes, y'all, I do got tape on my thing because this didn't fit on here. I used the cold setting and I dried it in place, and you know, it's pretty secure. Like, it's a closure wig, it's not a frontal. Like, shouldn't nobody be pulling on your wig for real anyway, but it's laid down pretty flat, you know. And you know, it is curly big hair, so it's not just gonna be like, you know, laying like this. Like, you know, it's gonna have some. And you know, this is 16 inches, so this is how it's like falling naturally. And I'm gonna show y'all like how it looks with me standing up. Like, hold on, this is how long it is right here. Yeah, so it's a really nice middle part. Like, I backed up so you can actually see. And like with this hair, the reason why you're not seeing me like comb it a lot, because like this is the natural like pattern, and if you brush it out too much, like you see right here how it isn't as wavy as it is on this side, but on this side it's not. If you run your fingers through it too much or like manipulate it too much, then like, you know, it can mess up the curl pattern. So you would have to keep spraying water on it or putting some kind of moisture on it. So this is like if you just want to leave your hair long for the day, like just not worry about your hair. Like, you know how some girls like to run their fingers through their long hair, like their straight hair. Don't do that with this hair, please. Like, you gotta just trust that this hair is sitting on your head perfectly, okay? And yeah, I cut me some little baby hairs out. I need to go ahead and cut the rest of this lace off, to be honest. But yeah, I will post some pictures for you all with this, because I really need to get up close to the mirror so I can cut all the lace off. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I cut the lace off, and I did this side kind of, but I didn't do this side at all because I wanted y'all to see how much space it is. So the lace stopped right here, but a little bit of my edges are out right here. So it comes to like that, but when your hair is laid down, it hides this part, which is why you can't do it all up and all down. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all like what it looks like for real, and not like, you know, everybody's not a professional for real, so it's not gonna look professional, you know. So I want y'all to see what it looks like. Like, this is something you could definitely work with, like a beginner wig. Like, this is definitely a beginner wig. So yes, if I have a code for this, I would definitely leave it down below in the description box, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.